So let's go to widgets, and I want a button for this one, and I'll say support programmable button. Okay, so I want the production support assistant assigned to this one. I do want, there is a, I think it's handshake. Yep, I do want this one. I want the heart handshake one, and I want, let's save those changes, and I want for the color, probably just go with like a neutral tone, honestly. And let's do something like need some help. Maybe that's too big though. Yeah, let's do need help. That's good. Okay, now this looks fine. I think we'll run with this right now. And this is fine. All right, so to test it out, I'm going to just take a GHL site and embed this iframe into it. And so let me go to sites, and I think I have a draft funnel around here. We can edit this one and add it in there. Okay, so I'm going to use a custom HTML JavaScript element. I'll take this embedding code and I'll copy this. I'm going to throw this embedding code into here. I'll save those changes. Let's save that. And let's take a look. Perfect. We have our programmable button. Now, this is game time to test it out to see if it's really working. So we've done our AI. We've got our RAG system done. We've got our button programmed. Now it's just testing and refining. So let's do our initial test here.
Hi there. Thanks for calling in. Can I grab your name to make sure I've got it right on file?
Yep, it's going to be Jordan, Jorden.
Thanks, Jordan. Got your name down. Now, can I grab your email address in case I need to send over any resources?
Yep, you can do jordendubs@gmail.com. So JORDENDUBS@gmail.com. And that's my first and last name too, is Jordan Dubs.
Got it. Let me confirm your name is Jordan Dubs and your email is jordendubs@gmail.com, right?
Yep.
Perfect, Jordan Dubs. I've got your email as jordendubs@gmail.com. Lastly, can I grab your phone number in case we get disconnected?
Yep, it's going to be 678-021-4965.
Thanks, Jordan. Let me confirm your phone number is 678-021-4965, right?
Yep, that sounds about right.
Great, got it. Thanks for confirming. All right, Jordan, how can I make your day easier?
I'm having a little issue with syncing my calendars.
Got it. Is it giving you an error or is it just not syncing at all?
Well, I click the button and it loads for just like a second, and then nothing shows up.
So it seems like the sync isn't completing properly. Are you syncing with a Google, Outlook, or another type of calendar?
No, I'm just using the CRM calendar.
Gotcha. You're using the CRM calendar. Let me check on this for you real quick. It looks like the issue might be related to calendar verification. If your CRM calendar isn't verified, it won't sync properly. Here's what you can do. 1, check if there's a green verification check mark in the top right corner of your calendar. 2, if not, click the Add to Assistant button to verify it. This will guide you through a quick setup process. 3, once verified, try syncing again. Let me know if you need help with any of these steps.
Well, I don't have any calendars to verify.
Got it. If there are no calendars to verify, it sounds like the CRM calendar might not be fully set up yet. You'll need to sync your active CRM calendar first. Here's how. 1, go to the calendar section in your CRM. 2, Click the option to sync calendars to pull in your active calendar. 3. Once synced, you should see it appear, and then you can verify it. Let me know if you run into any hiccups.
It is. Nope, it's drafted. Let me turn that to active real quick.
That makes sense. Switching it to active should do the trick. Once it's active, try syncing again and let me know how it goes.
Okay, I just synced it, but it's not letting me add it to the assistant. Like I'll click add to the assistant and I get this pop-up.
Gotcha. So you're getting a pop-up when trying to add it to the assistant. Can you tell me what the pop-up says or what options it gives you?
It just says calendar verification.
Yep, that pop-up is likely part of the calendar verification process. It usually walks you through confirming the calendar setup. Does it ask you to complete any steps or show any errors?
No, it says get available times, and I see like all this crazy code, but I think it looks right.
Sounds like it's showing some raw data instead of the usual interface. That could mean the calendar's connection isn't fully configured yet. Have you double checked the calendar's availability settings in the CRM to make sure it's set up to share availability?
Okay, no, it's good. I just verified it, and it's now added. Thank you.
Awesome. Glad you got it verified and added. Anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I had an AI that I built earlier, and I just don't know how to get it to respond in the CRM. I don't know what to do.
Got it. Let's get your AI responding in the CRM. Can you catch me up on what you've done so far with the setup? Like, have you connected the AI to the CRM or added any specific functions?
I did the prompt, I did the tools, and I did an active tag.
Perfect. Sounds like you've got the basics covered. To get the AI responding, make sure 1. The active tag matches the one you're using in the CRM. 2. The tools you added, like check availability or book appointment, are enabled and linked to the CRM functions. 3. The AI is set to respond to the right triggers like specific messages or actions in the CRM. Have you tested it by sending a message or trying a booking action?
Yep, well, when I send a message, so I send the message and I can see it in the AI portal, but the AI doesn't respond, and I don't know where to go from here.
Got it. If the message shows up in the AI portal but there's no response, it might be a trigger issue. Double check these. 1. Triggers. Make sure the AI is set to respond to the type of message you're sending. For example, keywords, intents, or specific actions. 2. Permissions. Ensure the AI has the right permissions to interact with the CRM. 3. Logs. Check the AI's logs in the portal to see if it's processing the message or if there's an error. Let me know if you need help checking any of these.
How do I check the logs?
To check the logs, 1. Go to the AI portal. 2. Navigate to the logs or activity section, usually under settings or monitoring. 3. Look for the message you sent and see if there's any error or status update. The log should show if the AI processed the message or if something went wrong. Let me know what you find.
I don't see it in the settings tab. What tab is that under?
It's usually under something like activity, monitoring, or debugging in the AI portal. If those tabs aren't visible, check for a developer or advanced section. Let me know if you spot it.
We were so good. Right there until she started giving some non-correct answers. And so now, I mean, everything was awesome. Like, I'm actually super cool with that. And I'm going to go back here, and while I'm here, because this is already embedded, let's take a look at the contacts and make sure, okay, it put it as doves, but okay, so all my information's there, so it did all the information collection. And so this looks good. Let's just real quick to sanity check. Let's call this back and see if it remembers who I am.
Hi there. Thanks for calling in. Can I grab your name to make sure I've got it right on file?
What name do you have on file?
I don't have a name on file yet. Can you share yours so I can get it updated?
Oh no. You don't know my name?
Not yet,
Yeah.
but I'd love to get it right. What's your name?
Let's see.
Hey there. Thanks for calling in. Can I grab your name to make sure I've got it right on file?
What name do you have?
I don't have a name on file yet. Can you share yours so I can get it added?
You know what? I wonder if it was because I think I had this email already in here. I wonder if it merged it. That's fine. We'll come up with something for that. Okay, so maybe under personality traits, I'm going to enforce this in a couple different places. Haley never is known for using her resources. As knowledge _ base. Haley always checks user queries using knowledge base before giving answers. And important, I thought I had an important section here. Oh, important developer instructions. You are required to always use knowledge base to query the user's questions before giving a response. Avoid giving incorrect information at all costs. You can avoid this by using the tool knowledge base to query the user's response against a database of correct answers. And then in the support protocol, follow-up question. Okay. That's cool. You can tell this has been an all-day thing. Even though I think this is only an hour and some change. But I think we're getting there. Okay, I'm going to do another test with that. Okay, so let's go here. And I guess I'll have to use a different email for this one since they're not already in there. Hold on. Let's delete. And then I'm going to take out my personal one too, just for testing this. And I may assign like some sort of unique tracking to this or something like that. You can see the orbs kind of killing it. This thing's booking appointments like crazy right now. Such a good nod. No obligation offer. It's really fun. So let's do Jordan. And let's just get rid of all these tests. Okay. Let's refresh and let's test our button. Okay.
Hi there. Thanks for reaching out. Can I grab your name to make sure I've got it right on file?
What name do you have on file?
I don't have a name on file for you yet. Can you share your first and last name so I can update it?
Yep, it's going to be Jordan Williams, Jorden Williams.
Got it, Jordan with an E. Can you also share your email address so I can keep everything up to date?
Yep, it's going to be jordan@assistable.ai.
Thanks, Jordan. Just to confirm, is your email jordan@assistable.com?
No, assistable.ai.
Got it. So your email is jordan@assistable.ai. Can I grab your phone number next, just in case we get disconnected?
Yep, it's going to be 770-296-7271.
Thanks, Jordan. I've got your details updated and ready to go. All set. How can I make your day easier, Jordan?
Um, my AI is not responding right now, and I'm not sure why.
Got it. Your AI isn't responding. Can you catch me up on what's happening? Is it not responding in chat, voice, or both?
In chat.
All right, in chat. Have you checked if the tool message in the chat shows any errors or if the AI is receiving data properly?
I see it in the AI portal, but I just don't see a response.
Got it. You see the data in the AI portal, but no response in chat. Let me check on this for you real quick. It seems like the AI might be in a sleep mode or paused state, which can happen if there's been manual intervention or a setting adjustment. Can you check if the AI is set to pause or sleep mode in the portal?
Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me look.
Take your time. Let me know what you find, and we'll go from there.
Where would I find sleep mode at?
You can find the sleep mode settings in the AI portal under the Tools or Abilities section. Look for any settings related to pausing or sleep mode for the AI assistant. Let me know if you spot it.
I don't see
Nope.
that in tools and abilities.
No worries. Let's try another route. In the AI portal, check the chat settings or the assistant's configuration. Look for anything mentioning pause, sleep, or response delay. Let me know if you spot anything there.
What tab would that be under?
It should be under the Chat Lab or Builder tab in the AI portal. Those sections usually house the assistant's configuration and response settings. Let me know what you find.
I see autopilot settings, tools, abilities, call settings, voice settings. I see these.
Great. Check the autopilot settings first. That's likely where any pause or sleep mode settings might be hiding. Let me know what you see there.
Okay, I see it and it is off, so no sleep mode.
All right, so sleep mode isn't the issue. Let's check the chat logs in the portal. Do you see any errors or unusual activity in the logs for the recent chats?
You said chat logs?
Yep. In the AI portal, there should be a section where you can view chat logs or recent conversations. It's usually under something like inbox or conversations. Can you check there for any errors or clues?
Okay, so I'm in the inbox and I see the conversation. What do I click to see the logs?
In the inbox, click on the specific conversation you're troubleshooting. Once it opens, there should be an option or tab to view the logs or details of that conversation. Look for anything like details and logs or activity. Let me know what you find.
I see a couple buttons.
Perfect. Look for buttons labeled something like details, activity, or logs. Clicking those should give you more insight into what's happening with the conversation. What do you see?
I see. Okay, I found the server logs and I see an event message added, and on there I see it says active tag, but it's not an active tag.
That active tag might be the issue. If the AI thinks there's an active tag, it could be holding off on responding. Try clearing or removing that tag from the conversation and then test the chat again. Let me know how it goes.
No, I don't see the active. I don't see the active tag on the contact.
Got it. So no active tag on the contact. Let's try this. Can you check if the AI assistant is set to process responses for this specific chat? Sometimes a misconfiguration can stop it from replying. Look for any settings tied to response permissions or chat routing.
I don't know what any of that means.
No problem, Jordan. Let's simplify. In the chat settings or inbox, check if the AI is assigned to handle this conversation. Sometimes it might not be assigned, which stops it from responding. Do you see anything about AI assignment or routing?
No, I see. So in the server logs, I see the message added event, and I see some tags, but I don't see my active tag.
Gotcha. So you're seeing tags in the server logs, but not the active tag. It's possible the AI is waiting for a specific tag to trigger its response. Can you check if the tags listed match the ones your AI is configured to respond to? This would be in the AI settings or configuration rules.
I have an active tag, but it's so. Do I just need to add the active tag to the contact? Is that what I have wrong?
Exactly. If your AI is set to respond only when the active tag is present, adding that tag to the contact should fix the issue. Go ahead and add the active tag, then test the chat again to see if the AI responds. Let me know how it goes.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so I got the active tag on the contact. I just responded, and okay, I see a response.
Awesome. Looks like adding the active tag did the trick. Is there anything else you'd like help with while we're at it?
Yeah, what is the difference between buying a number and importing a number?
Great question. Let me break it down for you. Buying a number, you purchase a new phone number directly through the platform. It's quick and ready to use for calls or messages. Importing a number, you bring an existing phone number you already own into the platform. This usually involves a porting process to transfer the number over. Does that clear it up?
Yeah, what about, so I have a phone number in the CRM. Am I able to pull that one over or no?
Good question. Let me check if you can pull a CRM number into the platform. One sec. You can import a phone number from your CRM into the platform if it's tied to a telephony provider like Twilio or another supported service. You'll need to use the import number option and follow the porting process. Does that sound like what you're looking to do?
That sounds complicated.
It can feel that way, but it's usually just a few steps. If you're using a provider like Twilio, you'll grab the number details and follow the import process in the platform. I can guide you through it if you want to give it a shot.
Yeah, can you just give me an overview? So if I go into my Twilio, 1 second, let me log into Twilio. 1 second.
Sure thing, Jordan. Let me know when you're in Twilio, and I'll walk you through what to grab and how to start the import process.
Okay, so I'm in my Twilio dashboard. Now what?
Awesome. In your Twilio dashboard, find the phone number you want to import. Once you locate it, grab the termination URI and the number in its raw format with the country code. These details are what you'll need to start the import process in the platform. Let me know when you've got them.
What is it? Termination URI? Where is that at?
The termination URI is essentially the address that routes calls for your number. In Twilio, you'll usually find it under the phone number settings or configuration details. Look for something like SIP trunking or voice settings. Let me know if you see it.
I see SIP trunking.
Perfect. Under SIP trunking, you should see the termination URI or something similar. Grab that along with the phone number in its raw format, including the country code. Once you have those, you're ready to start the import process.
Okay, we're getting close. We're getting close. Now, let's see if it remembers who I am. These widgets are expensive, aren't they? I have a feeling that's going to be like the first thing with like all these widget deployments is someone's going to be like, oh my god, it's so expensive. Trust me, I know. I've been paying out of pocket for it. Let's see if it remembers who I am.
Hi there. Thanks for reaching out. Can I grab your name to make sure I've got it right on file?
What name do you have right now?
I don't have your name on file yet. Can you share it with me so I can make sure everything's accurate?
You don't have my name?
That's right, I don't have your name yet. Can you share it with me so I can get it on file?
Kind of sassy, huh? I wonder if it's because it's just GHL page. Let's see.
Hey there. Thanks for calling in. Can I grab your name to make sure I've got it right on file?
So I don't see any new visitors created. So I wonder if it's... I'll check on that later. Oh, I do see some. I'll check the visitor because I wonder if the like something to do with cookies. Not track. There we go. I would like it for it to track me.
Hey there. Thanks for calling in. Can I grab your name to make sure I've got it right on file? Just in case I need to send over any resources?
Yep, it's going to be jordan@flowbuilder.ai.
Just to confirm, is your email jordan@flowbuilder.com?
No, flowbuilder.ai.
Thanks for clarifying. So it's jordan@flowbuilder.ai, right?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for confirming. I've got your email as jordan@flowbuilder.ai. Lastly, can I grab your phone number in case we get disconnected?
Yep, 678-822-5218.
Got it. 678-822-5218. Let me save that real quick. All set. How can I make your day easier, Jordan?
Um, I am curious about knowledge bases. I'm just not, I don't know if I'm doing it right.
No worries, Jordan. Knowledge bases are all about organizing info for your AI to reference during conversations. They work best for FAQs, objection handling, pricing, or company specific details. You can upload data like PDFs or text files to build them. If you're unsure about setup, you can test how your knowledge base retrieves info and refine it. Want me to guide you through creating or improving one?
How do I test my knowledge base? What do you mean?
To test your knowledge base, you can use a testing environment specifically designed for this. Here's how it works. 1. Select the knowledge base. Choose the one you want to test. 2. Test responses. Use the environment to see how the AI retrieves and uses the information from your knowledge base. 3. Refine data. If something doesn't work as expected, you can add or adjust the data in your knowledge base to improve accuracy. 4. Reinforce key info. If there's something important, you can add it multiple times to make it more likely to show up in responses. This testing environment is strictly for refining how your knowledge base works, not for live conversations. Let me know if you want help setting this up.
Nope, that sounds good. I also had
Awesome.
a question about the widgets. What is that?
Widgets are tools you can deploy on your website or platform to interact with users. They can handle tasks like answering questions, providing support, or assisting with specific actions. You can assign an AI assistant to a widget, customize its appearance, and configure its behavior. For example, you can create a chat widget that floats on your website, allowing users to interact with your AI assistant. Once set up, you'll get an iframe code to embed it on your site. You can also manage and edit widgets anytime to fit your needs. Want help setting one up or tweaking an existing one?
Nope, that makes sense. I do need to change my password though. Where do I do that at?
To change your password, head to the Settings tab in your account. Under the Profile section, you'll find the option to update your password. Just follow the prompts to make the change. Let me know if you need help navigating there.
Nope, I think I got it. And one last
Great.
one is I want to find a specific call that was made by my AI, and I'm not sure how to find that call.
To find a specific call made by your AI, head over to the Call History tab in your AI portal. There, you'll see a list of all AI calls, including their status, summaries, transcripts, and recordings. You can search for calls by number, name, or call ID, and even filter by status or sentiment. If you need more help navigating this, just let me know.
Nope, that sounds great. What is the no, okay, never mind. I see it. We're good to go.
Awesome, Jordan. If you need anything else, just give me a shout. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time, Jordan. Feel free to reach out anytime you need help. Take care.
Okay. We're almost there. And it ended the call on its own. That's great. The other thing, I just want to reinforce the notion of using knowledge base on some of this stuff. And I may in the future even kind of take that doc and elaborate on some of it just from I may route the post call webhook on this specific assistant to a database and use that database.